Okay, hello, I'm Robin Sharp, and today we are going to do a science experiment on the states of liquids. Now, as we all know, when we add a liquid to a liquid, we get a liquid. If I take water and I add it to some oil, both of them are still liquids. They're not going to mix. We can see the oil on top, but if I put my finger in, it's still a liquid. Same thing with other liquids. If I take some cola and some milk and I add them together, still a liquid. You can drink this if you want to. Doesn't look very appetizing though. So does this happen when we put all liquids together? Well, let's see. We are going to make flubber today. So I have everything I need. I have my 2 teaspoons of borax, which is a laundry detergent. So when you do this, you're going to want to wash your hands real well when you're finished because that is toxic. I have a half a cup of warm water. In here I have 3/4 of a cup of warm water. And I have my cup of white school glue. So what we're going to do, we are going to add our borax to our half cup of warm water. Mix that up real well. And you can see the laundry detergent turns into liquid as well. Makes a nice little solution there. Then we are going to take our school glue and add it to our 3 cups of water. And as you can tell, the glue is liquid. We're going to stir this up real well. Get that nice and mixed in. So this is still a little thick, but it is a liquid. We take our dissolved detergent, and we're going to add this to our other liquid mixture, and let's see what happens. Okay, now this is the part that we get a little messy. I'm going to use my hands to show this to you. What we have is we added 2 liquids, and we got this. It's a little sticky, but the more you play with it, the more liquid that it's going to take in. Now this might look like it's a solid. I can take it, I can shape it. Ooh. Have a good amount. It does bounce a little bit. If I pull it, it will break. If I pull it slowly, it's not going to break. Now, although this looks like it's a solid, what it actually is a non-Newtonian liquid, which means it's still a liquid. It still follows the viscosity rules of liquids, but it does have some characteristics of a solid. So, as you can see, when we do mix liquids together, we will still get a liquid, but this isn't your normal liquid. It's a non-Newtonian liquid. Okay, so have fun trying the science experiment at home. Remember, be careful when you work with the borax because it is toxic, so you do have to be careful and wash your hands afterwards. And on the plus side, this stuff is tons of fun to play with, so play with it, see what you can do. Can you make it bounce? Can you make it a ball? You know, what else does it do? What are the characteristics that you find? Okay, and happy learning!